Girl.
Come here, swim over here, Care Bear.
Let's see you swim like a big girl.
Care Bear, swim. Nah, there you go. Good
Come on,
job.
swim back over here, Carrie.
Hey, can you swim back over to Mommy?
No.
Yeah.
Come on.
No, I won't push you. Go.
Hey, I want to see you swim underwater.
Yay. Swim underwater over here. Can you swim
Underwater, Care Bear.
Where you push off the wall?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can. Let
me see.
Come on, sweetie. Do it. Push underwater.
Come on. You want to send it? Hey, you want to take pictures so we can send it to the Framaws and Pampaws?
Wow.
Come on. Swim over here. Swim over here.
Hey, Care Bear. Let me see you swim underwater.
Swim here. Huh? Oh, yeah?
Let me see. Whoa! Care Bear.
Yeah, good
Swim
job,
to me.
Mom. You did good.
All right. Say hi, Frama.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
What are you doing, Care Bear?
I'm good.
What are you doing?
I'm doing good.
You're being good? Are you swimming like a big girl?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tell him I love you.
No, I'll be alone.
What?
A
I'll be alone.
burrito?
No. You.
Tell him I love you.
I'll be you.
I don't know what you're saying.
I must be you.
She wants to watch the video. That's what she's saying.
Oh.
I'm recording you right now.
I like here.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at me.
Mama, be alone.
Can you blow kisses? Baba, can you blow kisses?